Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So basically we will start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings, and now we have to find the display. Here, let's scroll down, and in the colors you can see the night light. So this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So of course we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns kind of yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen in the dim light. So if you are a night owl, if you really like to use your device at night, then this option is totally for you. So as I said, we can leave it like this or customize it. So if you want to just tap on the night light, and here we've got two different options thanks to which we can customize this mode. So we've got the intensity, we've got the switcher, and by going to the left with it, we can make it a little bit cooler because it is still visible, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's basically orange after setting it on the highest intensity. It's up to you which option you want to use, just set it like you want to. And here we've got also the schedule options. So we've got the none, turn it on at custom time, or from sunset to sunrise. So none is kind of manual option, you will have to manually turn it on or off. Here, sunset to sunrise, basically your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. It is, I believe, location based. Or we've got the custom time, which simply means that you can pick the start and the end time. So I will pick, for example, 12, and end time at 6 it can be. So as you can see, the screen immediately turns to yellow tones. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn off the schedule and let me leave it like this, manual option. And now we can go back, and actually I can show you much faster access to this feature, because of course you do not have to go to it through the settings all the time. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And now we have to find our option, which is for some reason not here, or I just cannot see it. But if it is not here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, and as you can see right now we've got much more options. If you want to, you can of course add it to this section to have much faster access to it. So the night light is here, just tap on it, hold it, and drag it to this section. Alright, now we can go back and let's check. And as you can see, the night light, it is here. So it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. So basically that's all. This is how to enable, how to customize the eye comfort mode in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.